These pigment mixing videos are going extremely viral on social media right now, and this YouTube channel has gained 868,000 followers just by posting this exact style of content. Their most popular video is sitting at 227 million views. Now watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes. I am going to show you the totally free method right now. Make sure you have subscribed before we start. First, open the master prompt I have written for you. The link is in the description below. Copy the full prompt and paste it directly into ChatGPT, then hit enter. It will ask you about the material you want to mix. For this, open a new chat and write this prompt, then hit enter. It will instantly provide you various engaging material combinations, perfect for a mixing video. Copy the one you like. I am going with the very first one. Copy and paste all the objects like this and hit enter. ChatGPT will generate 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt for your video. Everything you need is right here. Copy image prompt 1 and open Google Flow. Select the image option and make sure all your desired settings are turned on. Paste the prompt in and hit generate. In just a few seconds, your first scene image will be ready right here. Click on the image you like, click the 3 dots and choose add to prompt. Now copy image prompt 2 from ChatGPT and paste it in. Hit enter, and your second image will appear in just a few seconds. Now select the video option. I am selecting OmniFlash as the video model, and then ingredients because this model does not support frames right now. So we use ingredients instead. Now drag your first and second image right here. Copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in. Hit generate, and your video will be ready in just a few seconds. Bring the clip into any video editor, place it on the timeline, and add a text layer with the mixture names written clearly on screen, just like this. Hit export, and your pigment mixing video is completely ready to go viral on the internet. Now watch another one I created using the exact same method. Same process, different materials, another satisfying viral video, ready in minutes. Don't forget to subscribe and like if this tutorial helped you. I will see you in the next one.